Hi family, you are welcome back to my YouTube channel. I remain Raya of Earthways and Treasures. If you are seeing me here for the first time, please kindly subscribe to my channel. And if you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much. God bless you. And today I'll be introducing one of my beautiful treasures to you, which is bridal or ashwebi and fan. If you have been looking forward to learning this, please kindly sit tight and watch the tutorial to the end. And don't forget to like and drop your love comments. So the materials we're having here, we have millinery wire and the fabric for the net, the marco. This is ribbon. This is ribbon or bias, we call it ribbon. And this is the trimmings. So we also have matching thread. We have tape measure, scissors, horse glue, and the name. So the first thing we will be doing, this is the marco, and the first thing we will be doing is to fold the marco into two. Fold the marco into two. After folding the marco into two, we measure 4.5 inches from this place. This is the middle. So you measure 4.5 inches from that middle. You slant it like this from the middle. Coming from the middle as well, you measure another 4.5 inches. So you slant it again, 4.5 inches, and 4.5 inches again. So when you measure this place, you 4.5 yes. So you will join the lines. You are going to join the lines in a circular form, like you are making a circle. So after joining the line, you are going to cut it out. I mean the two together, you're going to cut it out. So while you're cutting it out, make sure that these two edges are aligned. This is the 4.5 inches. So you are going to use this to cut another one. This same one, you are going to place it on the marco and use it to cut out another one. And that will give us the two pieces we are looking out for. You can decide not to use this method. You can decide to make the cycle directly. All you have to do is to just fold the marco into four. Fold the marco into four and measure 4.5 inches all round. That will give you the results. After forming the cycle and you achieve the 4.5 inches, just cut it into two. It will still be the same thing with this one. So if this is too big for you, you can decide to make use of 4 inches or thereabouts. These are the results. So this is the millinery wire. You are going to measure out 18 inches. I'm going to measure out 18 inches and cut it out. In place of this millinery wire, you can choose to make use of boning. Yes, you can choose to use boning bones. Just get 10 mm boning and you are good to go. So out. The next thing I will be doing is to fold it. Can you see? Fold it like this. So I will use this thread. I will use it to hold it down at this spot. Use it to hold it down. This folded edge, I just use it to secure it. So the next thing I'll be doing is to attach the ribbon. To use it to cover up the imaginary wire. I'll start from here. I'm starting from here because I want it to end here. Yes, I want it to end here. I am done with the four. I am done with them. So the next thing to do is to attach it. Is to put it into the net. So this is my net. Just place it at one end like this and form gathers. Form gathers here. So the next thing I did was to place it on top of each other like this. I did not know that my camera was not recording this part, so just place it on top of each other, arrange it like this and pack it down. And you see, just normal simple pack. So I'm trying to cover the marco with the fabric here. I forgot to click my camera while I was doing this part, but all I did was just cut out the fabric in that shape, in the shape of that marco. So just that I leave like 1 inch allowance at every edges. I did not cut the exact size. We cut out 2 pieces of marco earlier. So whatever I've done to this particular one, I'm going to repeat it for the second one. Here are the two. Very detailed. Until the next step. Using my hot glue, I'll be attaching it down to the ring net. Just pay attention to the video and make sure you watch it to the end. You understand? If you have watched this tutorial to this end and you have not subscribed, please do. Don't forget to like and comment to motivate me to do more of these tutorials. Just arrange them just like you're seeing. I use my hot glue to attach it, and that is all. So this is the result, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and share on this post to motivate me to do more. Bye. See you in my next video.